Yo, 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 what's up, good people? It's your boy Penny back with another video for stock market conglomerates. Welcome to Investing After Dark. Nah, man, but I just wanted to make another video because this one I'm gonna dedicate to everybody. I was born in '81, so if you was a teenager or in your early 20s back in '81, this one's for you. Basically everybody my parents' age, my mama age. You know, I was having a conversation with mom the other day, and I'm like, Mom, I set up at the gym. I'm like, Mom, all you gotta do is download this app, and it's gonna show you what to do. She said, well, why you do that? I said, go to your Google store, download the app. They will give you the barcode. What's the barcode? How you do that? I don't know. So I had to show her how to do it. I said, your nephew, Nitty, who owe you some Apple stock from that bet during the football season on that Green Bay game. You know who you are, Green Bay fan. I say he still owe you Apple stock. He said he just set up your Robinhood account and he gonna send you stock. She said, "What is Robinhood? What is that? I don't." I said, "Might just go download it on you. How you do that on?" So help moms out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna make this video for the mama say, "Oh boy, you know I don't know that stuff. I'm old school." So I'm gonna make this video for my old school investors out there, or the ones looking to start investing and, you know, even learn it and show their kids or grandkids or whatever. So it's just a basic video. I'm gonna show you how to just, um, you know, with a Robinhood account, just how to buy your first stock. How you start buying stocks. All right, gonna be very quick and simple. Let's see where we at here. Let's share screens. All right. So this is a Robinhood account, all right? So www.robinhood.com, or you can go to the Robinhood app. I suggest this one because it is, it's the most appealing to the eye, the easiest to kind of look at and understand for beginning investors and traders. The screen just pops out at you real good with Robinhood. So that's why I just kind of use it to look at I don't trade or really invest out of it anymore, but I use it for the option option chain, because I'm an option trader. So to me, their option chain just it's the easiest to kind of look at and understand. You can look at it real quick once you get into that area. But so, you kind of go through the steps when you download the app or go to the website. You want to open your account. It's going to just ask you a bunch of questions about, some personal information, maybe stuff about your job, bank account. You got to link your bank account, all that stuff. And then you'll open your account. It takes a few days to everything to get approved sometimes, but it's fairly quick. But once you get in there, it's simple to just go ahead and start investing. So, let's say you want to invest in I don't know, let's try something different. Let's do Walmart. So you just type in the bar up here in the space bar. It's all together. There it is. Type it in and then Walmart is gonna come up, okay? Say right now Walmart currently 137.11. So if you want to buy some shares of Walmart, okay, you're gonna go over here, and Robinhood is gonna have this box, right? It's gonna give you a few options. The dollars, of course, is you're gonna buy in dollars. You can switch it to shares if you want. You can just put in the number of shares and it'll total it up for you, or you can just put in a dollar amount if you have a specific dollar amount you want to invest. This right here, this is set. The default is set to market order, which is when you buy shares, it's going to place your order at the best available price. Okay, you don't necessarily pick the price, but the market makers, they will give it at the best available price. You do have the option to switch this, right? To let's see, a limit order, right? So if you switch this to a limit order, this means, say it's 137.11 right now. Say you want to wait till it goes down a little bit more to 135. Okay, you put in your limit price at I only want to buy Walmart if it gets to $135. You go into shares, you put the amount of shares you want to buy, just say 10 shares, okay? And it's gonna price it up for you right there, $1,350 for 10 shares of Walmart. Okay. But it will not place that order unless this price lowers down to 135. Okay. Once it goes back down some, then your order will automatically put in. You can leave it on. The order is good until have it set to expire. So you can have it on good for a day, meaning at the end of the day, if the price doesn't go down and hit that 135, your order will automatically cancel out. Okay. You can switch it to good until cancel, which means the order will stay queued up until you go back in and manually cancel it. All right. So it will be good until then. So very simple. You can also, there's other type of order. You got market order, limit order. You can put stop losses, stop limits, trailing stops, all that, that's a little bit more in detail. Not gonna get into all that in this video, but you just hit review order and your order will go through, okay, once you hit the price. If you have it on limit or if you have it on market, normally if it's a high liquid stock, meaning they're trading a lot of it, it's gonna go through real quick, okay? If it's not that liquid, sometimes you have to sit a little while, sometimes you might have to adjust your order. All right, it'll show your buying power. Again, like I said, I don't have any money in this account. I stopped using Robinhood, I don't know, maybe about 9 months ago, something like that. Actual trading. I actually use mostly TD Ameritrade with my moves. But I'm showing Robinhood because it's good for beginners, okay? Once you deposit money into your account, you'll see this buying power changes. I know if you have Robinhood Gold, or after so many deposits, they'll start doing instant deposit. Well, you will have access to that money before it actually clears from your bank. Okay, so if you was to deposit $500 on Monday morning, it will be instantly available to you at a certain point, but it may not come out of your account. Keep this in mind, maybe until Wednesday or Thursday. All right, so you got to still make sure the money's there. If not, they're gonna margin call you or do whatever, suspend your account until they get the money. All right. All right. This other option, this is just options. This shows that option chain I was talking about, but I'm not gonna get into that. That's for, that's way more complicated stuff for options. But I just wanted to just show you, everything's just kind of real clear and broke down for you here. If you go across, let me just go into account a few things. This is another thing, Robinhood Gold. This is $5 per month. Like what I was talking about, you're able to get bigger instant deposits up to 50,000 instantly. If you're part of here, and once you qualify, you can borrow cash, you can borrow margin at a better interest rate, all that stuff right there once you get to that level. All right. It shows your profile. Once you start investing, it will break your portfolio down until your percentage of stocks, your percentage of ETFs, your percentage of options, and your percentage of crypto if you decide to invest in these. If you only have stocks, of course, everything will be 100% stocks, okay? Kind of breaks a little bit of that down for you. Makes it easier to read. Again, like I say, why I like Robinhood for beginners, it makes it real easy to understand. Again, this is show what you are investing here, your cash amount available. Here's where you can turn on if you want to do margin, which is I'd advise you as a beginner to kind of stay away from margin. Is basically your broker here that will lend you money to trade and invest with, but remind you, of course, somebody lend you something, they're gonna want their money back, right? So beware of that. But I'm just letting you know what's available. Instant deposits here, you see mine is restricted. Of course, like I said, I haven't been using this. Dividend reinvestment, you can turn that on where it automatically reinvest your dividends and things of that nature. All right. Crypto, it'll show if you buy crypto, that information will be there. Transfers, okay, so this is good information. It will show like, yeah, see my last withdrawal. Yeah, I took my last money out last May. Yeah, it's been a while. So, but this is where you show where your bank account is linked. You can transfer money back and forth in and out of your account here in Robinhood, back and forth between your Robinhood and your bank. You can go back and forth with your money, transferring the amount you want. If you get some money on investment, say you win $1,000, you want to take out, you just go right here, type in the amount you want to take out, and it's going to put it straight into your bank account. Or if you want to deposit $1,000 from your bank account, same thing, you do that here, okay? Yeah, you just show this is different accounts you can use. Yes, go back. You can direct deposit straight to it if you want. You can set that up, paycheck, all that. All right. This shows different your transactions, all that'll be there. You have tax documents and everything across there. All right. Anything else important? Reports, your monthly statements, all that stuff will be your history. All right. So we'll go back to investing. So, I mean, that's basically here on the side. You can set up different lists you want, stock, your watch list, different stocks you're watching, ETFs, like I've been talking about, dividend, index funds, all that stuff. You can personalize. Shit, I had one for memes when I was messing with Robinhood last year, you know, just different things to trade. But that's basically it, man. Just anything you want. You set up your account, you know, you want to start investing. If you want to go to the S&P 500, just type in SPY SPY. That's the most popular, most liquid index fund. It's currently $387 right now. Same thing. You pull that up, put in how much you want to spend or how many shares you want to buy, review order. Then once you do that, you complete the order and you'll see it's going to show up under investing. Whatever you bought is going to be listed here. All right. What else? Let me see. Let me find something cheap. I know y'all see these big numbers. What's something that's kind of cheap? Let's look at Carvana. I know they've been kind of making a little run lately. What are they now? $7. See, this is a cheaper stock. Carvana. See, they had a good run going. Then, August 21, they just been falling apart ever since. You know, so they way back down here. So I stay away from them right now. But this is just, I just wanted to show you a cheaper one. You know, is any price you can, again, go on finviz.com, FINVIZ, to kind of look for stocks and filter different stocks based on your budget. You know, if you only can afford stocks from $5 to $20, you can type that in. Only put me in that range. If you want anything $50 or less, you can type that in and it'll pull up a numerous stocks. You want $50 above, you can put that in. Okay. Let's type in another one. Let's see, Johnson & Johnson. Yeah. I mean, it's just anything. Whatever you type in the bar, you can just put the ticker symbol in. Instantly, it's gonna pull up, and you just put your order in, place your order, and now you are an investor. All right. Remember, folks, when you buy shares of these companies, that means you are an active investor in that company. You are a part owner of that company. It is your money. Okay, you're trying to get a return on your money, so you want to pay attention. You want to know what you're doing, learn as much as you can. If you want to be an individual stock investor, like pick one company and pour a lot of money into it, you have to really look into that company and see what's going on. Not only how this chart looks, but you have to go into those financials, because the chart could look great today, tomorrow, this year, but if the financials are headed toward, you know, going bad, it may not show up in this chart until later on down the road. So you have to look at that. If you go down here, it kind of gives some basic information about the company, tells you a little bit about it, CEO, employees, headquarters, the market cap, which tell you, like, you know, how large it is, how big of a company. This one here, market cap of almost $395 billion. Gives you the high and lows of the day and of the year right here. How much dividend they pay, the average volume. Right here, you want one that's highly liquid, meaning has a high volume, usually over 1 million. Okay, not as important when you're investing for long term, but you would rather something more liquid than non-liquid. Okay, um, that's about it. Oh yeah, also down here you can kind of it gives some news on the stock. You can click on it. It'll go to different news articles if you kind of trying to read up and decide if you want to invest. It's just other news articles you can check out. Okay, so that's basically it. Just type in what you're looking for. If you decide you want to invest, um, put that in, buy your shares, and start your investing journey. Okay. All right, folks. Hope this helped out. Hope this helped out a little bit. Again, like I said, I'm not here for the views. Just here to give you guys some tools that will help you grow and sustain some wealth for you and your family. All right. All right. Hope this helped. Peace out.